Hi, this is a video of David's U.S.S.C Pellet Stove Controller after it had been repaired. Basically, I have it connected to my test bench, which has a few incandescent light bulbs to simulate the igniter, the combustion fan, the convection fan, and the auger. So depending on what the controller is doing, these lights should come on to tell me that the circuit is functioning correctly. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and I'll cycle through some of the controls to show that it's working, and then during that time we'll see that the lights will change in the sequence that is expected and to show that the controller is working. So I'll go ahead and turn it on now. There's the on button, and I have it preset to heat range number 4. The horizontal dash line is blinking, so everything is functioning normally. I will add that I have a jumper to bypass the pressure switch to tell me that the combustion fan is actually running, and I do not have a temperature sensor on here, an RTD, to tell me what the temperature of the fire is. But so in that way I cannot make the combustion fan come on, but I have other ways of testing that, and I know that it works on this controller. So I'll cycle through the heat ranges. I'm on heat range 4 now. I'll go up 1, I'll go to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll go back to 4 to leave the auger light on. I'll mess with the auger delay next. The auger delay will turn off the auger fan light, and the only way to make that come back on, and you see the LEDs on, if I press the on button, that'll clear it and my auger is back on. Coincidentally, my igniter heater just came on, so that means I've gone through the 1 minute preheat or pre-setup time where I was dumping pellets into the fire pot, and I've got 3 of my indicators on working. So I've got the igniter, I've got the combustion fan, and I have the pellets auger cycling on and off. And it stays on a little longer here because, as you can recall, I've got it on heat range 4, so that leaves the auger motor on a little longer. So this will stay in this mode until, as I said, if I had an RTD and time passes, the igniter will eventually go off, the pellets would have ignited, the RTD would have risen in temperature, the combustion fan would continue running, eventually the convection fan would kick in to blow hot air into the room, and the auger would keep cycling on and off almost as long as the thermostat, which these things don't have by the way, calls for heat. So the other thing I'll quickly go through here, I said I can go through different ranges. Room fan is the same thing. I've got it on 9, 9. Draft fan, I can kick up automatic or 9 as well. So it's all working. The reason right now the auto light is blinking is because I am not on automatic. So if I go to automatic, and if I go to automatic here as well, my automatic lights will stop blinking. Alright, so there it is, David, your pellet stove controller functioning again.